Is it possible to have a business checking account with no hidden fees? In a world where every bank seems to have a new way to charge you, it feels like a trick question. But today, we're diving into the details of Novo, a business banking platform that promises just that, a truly fee-free experience. Magnifying glass tilted left. Novo, a fintech company, is a bit different from your traditional bank. Instead of brick-and-mortar branches and a full suite of loan products, they focus on a streamlined, digital-first experience. Their core offering is a business checking account. And they are incredibly transparent about their pricing. They have a public fee schedule that lays out every potential charge. So what's the verdict? Are they really fee-free? For the most part, yes. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and they don't charge you for common transactions like incoming and outgoing ACH transfers. They even go a step further and reimburse all ATM fees, a massive perk for a digital bank. That's a pretty big deal. But to be truly transparent, we need to look at the few exceptions. There are two main charges you'll encounter with Novo. The first is a $27 insufficient funds fee if a transaction is made and you don't have enough money in your account. The second is an express ACH transfer fee, which is a small percentage of the transaction amount. Novo also does not handle cash deposits, so if your business relies on cash, you'll need to find an alternative way to get those funds into your account. Ultimately, Novo's model is about providing a transparent, low-cost solution. They make their money from interchange fees, which are the small fees merchants pay when you use your debit card, not from nickel-and-diming their customers with fees. This approach allows them to keep their core services free for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. If you're looking for a simple, efficient, and cost-effective banking solution without the surprise charges, Novo is a strong contender. They offer a ton of integrations with popular business apps like Stripe and QuickBooks, and their platform is designed to make managing your business finances as painless as possible. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.